Hey guys, what's up? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log application in Infinix Hot 40. But before starting the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe us for more interesting content. So first of all, go to settings and search log. We have option here about app log. Just click on it and then click on app lock. After that, it requires some password. I am changing password type here. I will use numeric password and it's all up to you. Either you can choose pattern or any other password type. Then enter the code which you want to set. After that, click on skip and then we have a lot of applications and select all those applications which you want to lock. I am locking Instagram, Facebook and also file manager. Okay, then go back to home screen. After that, open the application which you logged. I am open Facebook here and it required password. Just give the code and then the application open. Then about Instagram, type the password for opening the app. So this is the useful method. You guys can also log the application through this method. So that's it about the video. So if this video helped you guys, so make sure to like the video and subscribe us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.